Yeah, this is the weird part where we talk to no one. Today we're painting Andrew Huber. Andrew is a, would you say you're a metal rock? No, it's not metal.
Heavy
It's
rock.
heavy rock. And has an amazing band called the Oil Barons. And the album's coming soon. No, it's out. It's out on Spotify. It's everywhere.
It's
Check it
everywhere.
out. What's it called?
It's called The West is One
The West is One.
by the Oil Barons.
The music video is coming out.
Yes.
That's what it is.
Starring Lyle.
I make a small cameo if you can keep your eyes peeled. Any of these colors, popping,
Oh my God.
screaming.
That one's called Fuck. I love the purple. I don't know if it goes. Like a cherry wet or a licorice.
Okay, lovely. So we're gonna start the process by shaving this
Let's do it.
face. We'll be right back.
Okay, get out of here.
Oh, we're back. Just gonna moisturize.
Okay, good.
Rub that in there.
Yeah. This is the best care I've taken of myself.
So you have great skin.
Yeah.
I'm looking at your skin. Actually, let me look at your face now that I have you here. No. Bitch, we're going in today.
Uh-oh.
I'm excited. So this is just filling in your pores.
Feels great so far.
I know. So you've never been in drag, right?
On you, not like this. In college, we did Angels in America, and there was a scene.
Every straight guy is brought up Angels in America. I love it though. But you are a drag aficionado,
Yes.
along with your band, which
Yes,
I love.
ma'am. Yeah, we're all in.
I love that this like rock band loves the queens.
We do. Building bridges.
You have little eyebrows. Never realized that.
Lil? They're Lil?
Yeah. Lil. Lil.
I kind of had to come out as straight to my mom.
Okay, that's interesting.
When I was little, I had no concept or desire to behave masculine.
Work, yeah.
And I always liked girls from a very young age, but everyone thought that I was probably going to be gay when I was like 9 or 10.
Stop. Okay.
Because I loved theater, I loved singing and being loud and moving around and goofing off. And all my friends were girls. So I got along with them better. I was in the van, the minivan with my mom once, just me and her, and she pulled
How old
over.
were you?
15.
Okay.
So we pulled over and she said, Andrew, you know that if you were gay, it'd be okay. I was like, I know.
Oh,
I know.
that's cute.
I'm just not.
I'm just not.
I'm trying to be entertaining. I feel like I'm being pampered.
Let it be known, these are the best brows that have glued down and
I
gone
win.
away. Did you see? A monster.
You are deformed.
I am deformed.
And you are ugly.
We're gonna put the light foundation on you. Cause you light. Where? Gonna beauty blend, gonna beauty blend, gonna blend, beauty blend. What kind of brow are you feeling?
I don't know the kinds.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
they're nice, right?
they are.
I didn't want to do too thick on you.
I cut myself shaving.
The Demon Barbara Fleet Street.
I'm already feeling empowered. Is that what it does?
You feel like a woman? What does that even mean?
I don't know. Cut that out. Or figure out what it means and leave it in.
Yeah. All right, now we can move on to your new eyeball.
Oh, yes. Let me pee first. Yeah.
Nope.
I'll just do it here.
See the shapes I'm about to
Mhm.
create. Like, what was your first introduction to drag?
I was very little. My mom was in Lacage.
Stop. Oh my god,
She
I gotta
couldn't-
meet your mom. She's
She's a dancer, and she couldn't afford a babysitter, so I would just go with her and like sleep in the dressing room.
rich.
There's a story about the man who was playing, who's the guy in the Kosh.
Zaza.
Oh, yes. Well, we were backstage and I knew this guy before as my mother's friend, but I had never seen him all done up in drag. And
Oh my god.
he was in this red sequin gown, like big blonde hair. And I said, nice hair, Bill.
The guy you were reading him at, how old did you say?
3.
This mug is going to be pleasing to look at. These colors are lovely
Oh,
together.
yeah? I never would have thought of a red.
Me either. I've never done a red eye.
Bum.com, we used to
now.
say.
Bam!
Oh, yes, wow. Fantastic.
Okay, now we're going to cut your crease.
Cut my crease, what does that mean?
We're going to make your eye look big.
Blow it up.
So that's what cutting the crease is.
Oh,
Just
yes,
to
cutting
clean
the
it.
crease.
Stupid! Bitch, come through. Come all the way through.
Crease cut, done.
Crease cut.
I'm in the workroom all of a sudden.
Okay.
That's
we gotta-
free sound effects, you don't have to put any in.
Okay, we're gonna line the eye now.
Okay. Oh.
Cut that out. I don't know why, but just putting a little black, just like right here where the like cat eye meets the new crease, just like makes the eye look so much better. Glitter!
Finally.
It's a lovely, quick little eyeshadow glitter. Boom, baby, boom, baby. Look at that.
Ba-boom.
I'm gonna put more. Oh God, whatever. You know.
Now we're in foundation land.
Now we're in foundation land.
When did you know you were straight?
I liked girls from a very young age. I got along with them better.
So would you say it was like a choice?
In 5th grade, my mom told me that I think you should make some boyfriends. Not like that. They were worried that I wouldn't know how to get along with
Girls.
men and boys.
Well.
No, the opposite.
Round out this superhero jaw you have.
Why, thank you.
Okay, now I'm gonna contour your nose.
Why, what's wrong with it?
So many things, darling. So many things. Great, that's your nose.
Sports! Perfect. And now we're done.
What are those? I didn't even know we had those.
Oh, the queen. Oh, she's big.
That queen is big.
And we're back. Hi, thank you.
Is this scissoring?
I need one of these. I need them. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. That's crazy, but okay.
Your new
Face! Oh, that's cute. Fun. I like her.
One of the chip.
Yeah.
What is this you're doing now? I want you to describe everything.
This just highlights the upper lip, so it makes it look a little more pouty. A little more. We like a pout. It just makes the lips look a little more full.
Pepper on a chip. Who thought of that? From the inside out? I haven't done it in a while.
Outside in.
Outside in.
Yeah. I'm gonna blend her out.
Oh, I've seen this on TV. I'm just so happy.
Great.
I've never looked so good snacking.
When did you get into music?
I stole Jagged Little Pill from my stepdad after we moved in. And then in 8th grade, I took my mom's Queen, like Best of Queen album.
Mm-hmm.
And then it was off to the races. But I didn't play any music until I was 15.
What, the guitar?
It was ukulele.
Oh.
We were on a trip in Hawaii and it was storming, the worst storm I've had in 10 years. So I stayed in, bought a little uke.
And just taught yourself. Work.
YouTube.
I learned makeup on YouTube.
Yeah. Nose runner? No.
And while you're there, I'm gonna give you a little beauty mark.
Oh. Bless you. Twice. You make me hurt.
Hey. Would you be cool in a black lip?
Sure.
Hey, we'll go get a mustache. Yeah, that's nice. That's one.
No, it's a good box.
She's done. How do you feel? How was this? How was this
I feel
process?
good. I feel very well taken care of.
Do you feel pretty?
I do. I feel like she's very prim and proper, but she's trying on a black lip tonight because she's feeling a little bad.
Oh.
It's flashy, you know. I'm not flashy. I'm usually like, hey, yeah, hi, how are you? So I don't know. It feels a little unnatural to look so good.
See how that's the good side? It has a better arch, and this is more
Yeah.
like round. You got to look at them from that side. But don't, like,
What'd you say? I like the half drag. I want to play a show like this.
wow.
Oh yeah, this one is fun. Makes you want to sit up straight, this one.
How do we feel in this one? This is very
Good.
dark, very Tim Burton.
Do I feel established?
All right, great.
Boo. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Why is this the bitchy
oh
one?
my god, who is this?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Ooh, she's
Ooh, ooh,
It just catches the light better.
ooh. Did I just drool chip out of my... This is why drag queens do this all the time.
Yeah, because it feels good on the
feels
head.
right. She's a scary spice, but a ginger. This one's paid to dance at parties.
Oh,
She's getting everyone out on the floor for the bat mitzvah.
I feel like your name is like a font, like Helvetica or something. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this transformation of this rock and roll star.
This is too much fun.
Would you do this again?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, would you go out like this?
That scares me inside a little, but I feel like I have to.
Please comment, like, and subscribe. You can follow me at Lyle C. Maxton on Instagram. And if you want to see more of Andrew and his band, you can check out the Oil Barons on Instagram at the Oil Barons.
That's it.
But how can they find you on Instagram?
Oh, I'm seriously. One word.
I'm serious. That's all for now.
Love you. Bye. Subscribe.